A Pearson square is easiest to use when we're talking a mixture problem. While mixture problems can be solved with systems of linear equations, a Pearson square helps expedite that process, makes it easier. So we put the amount that we want to end up with, the 1%, in the middle of this square, 1%. Then we're going to put the numbers that we start with, so 5%, 0.5%, and that's light syrup, and 2.2% dark. The next process is to subtract across the diagonals. So we're going to subtract it this way, but it's going to be absolute value. So it's going to be 2.2 minus 1 is 1.2. And we're going to do the same thing across the other diagonal. But 0.5 minus 1 is negative 0.5, but we want it to be positive. So the absolute value of that is 0.5. The next step is to add these two numbers together. So 1.2 plus 0.5 is 1.7. That's going to become the bottom of the denominator. Now when I calculate 1.2 divided by 1.7, I get 0.0706. Repeat the process down here, I get 0.294. That means I need 70.6% of light syrup and 29.4% of dark syrup. If I use those percentages of light syrup and dark syrup, I'll end up with a 1% solution.